Hello and welcome to the Bosh Kitchen. Today's recipe is a really good one because it is an absolute staple. It's a recipe that everybody should have in their locker. It's a chili. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's really effective. But not only are we going to show you how to make a chili today, we're going to show you how to make a bowl to serve it in. That's right, we're not going to make it from clay, we're going to make it from these. Now this is a flour tortilla, the sort of thing that you'd wrap a burrito in, and we're going to turn this into a bowl by pushing it into an upside down muffin tin. So our tortillas are in the muffin tin, or on the bottom of the muffin tin. And these are going to go now into the oven for around about 7 to 8 minutes until they're nice and crispy and slightly golden. The chili is going to sit inside them. So now our bowls are in the oven, it's time to make our chili. Add some olive oil to your pan. Now add your red onion, a decent pinch of salt, a finely chopped red chili, some minced garlic, and some finely chopped coriander stems. Stir everything around in the pan for 5 minutes. Right, so that's looking good. Next up, tomatoes and peppers. Stir that for 4 to 5 minutes. Right, so that's the base of our super simple chili done. Now we're gonna hit it with some protein. Black beans and kidney beans. Now all chilies need spice. And here we've got some cumin and some smoked paprika. Give that a whirl to let all the flavors get to know each other. And now add your passata. Give that a stir. So there we are, this incredibly simple chili is almost done. All we've got to do now is let all those flavors come together and simmer for around about 10 minutes. Right, so that is our chili ready. It's super thick, it's super flavorful, and it's gonna be perfect in these mini chili bowls, which we're gonna make right now. So this meal is really, really simple, but you know what? I think it's super fun. I love the idea of making our own bowls. Just listen to this. Look, they're completely solid, this is perfect. And what's more, when it's been served up, we can break it off and then actually eat the bowl it's served in. How cool is that? A bit of basmati rice goes perfectly with a nice, simple chili. And there's the chili, look at that, oh my days. It's got those kidney beans, it's got those black beans. The color of it is just fantastic. A little bit of vegan cheese on top, or squeeze over a little bit of lime, a couple of coriander leaves, and that is mini chili bowls. How does it taste? So the chili's really simple, but goodness me, it's very, very delicious. And also, these bowls are so fun and so easy to make. It's definitely an awesome thing to make with kids. Guys, I'm going to love eating this for my dinner, and we hope that you have loved this video. If you intend to make some of these, let us know in the comment section below. Keep your eyes peeled for more content coming your way real soon, and we shall see you again on the next one.